We are taking a walk-in tour of the Cosmopolitan. This luxury hotel is right here on the Las Vegas Strip. Let's see what it looks like.
Right here, inside the Cosmopolitan, is this chandelier. It is 3 stories of over 2 million shimmering crystals. And you can see why this chandelier is one of the most photographed spots here at the Cosmopolitan since its opening in 2010. As soon as you walk in, you'll notice art everywhere. There's over 600 pieces of art integrated into the design here at the Cosmopolitan. As we ride up the escalator, the chandelier surrounds us in a glow of crystal and soft purple light, and just above is a stained glass nautilus ceiling that adds its own quiet magic. Once you reach the top, you're surrounded by velvet lounges, warm lighting, and cozy, modern, cosmopolitan style. It really sets the tone, and it's perfectly Vegas. And up here, it's all about good food and good company. Everybody here is enjoying themselves and just soaking up the vibes. Beyond the restaurants, the boutiques that are here at the Cosmopolitan sparkle under soft lighting from designer fashions to one-of-a-kind pieces. It's shopping with a view. And if you're looking for casual dining or a quick pick-me-up, the Cosmopolitan has plenty of choices. Down on the gaming floor, the energy picks up. Bright lights, soft beats, and that modern Vegas style that keeps the Cosmopolitan buzzing day and night. The Cosmopolitan is full of surprises, from secret bars behind barbershop doors to glowing lounges wrapped in 2 million crystals. Each has its own story, its own energy, and that signature Vegas sparkle. Check-in starts at 3 p.m., but you'll want to linger. The lobby itself is a showpiece filled with digital art that makes the first impression unforgettable. And I want to show you the valet area. The floors shimmer under the lights. Every detail is polished to perfection. It's the kind of luxury the Cosmopolitan is known for. You may want to check out the corridor to the rooms. Colorful carpets, art on the walls, and statues that make even the walk to your suite feel like a part of the experience. The Cosmopolitan is known for the Wicked Spoon. It's a buffet with a twist. Instead of big communal trays, each dish comes with its own elegant portion, so you can sample everything from crab legs and carving stations to creative brunch favorites. It's upscale, polished, and still fun. From here, we can walk straight from the Cosmopolitan to the Bellagio and the Aria without even touching the Strip. It's a beautiful glass walkway, it's quiet, cool, and perfect if you want to skip the traffic outside. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel that I've brought you value, please be so kind to leave me a like. And if you want to see more of my content, go ahead and hit subscribe. My name is Elisa, and this is Elisa Does Vegas and Travel.